In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make this hibiscus deep conditioner that is going to moisturize your hair, that is going to increase growth this 2025. If you want to grow your hair this year 2025, follow these steps and your hair is going to grow massively. So stay tuned and watch this video to the end. So my first ingredient is flaxseed. We all know flaxseed helps hair grow faster and providing long nourishment to the hair follicles. And next, so I'm going to add my flaxseed and hibiscus leaf. So I'm going to add water depending the size of my ingredients. My ingredient is small, so I'm going to be adding just little water, not to overpower my ingredients. I'll bring it to boil. I'm going to boil it for some minutes and let it sink to all everything is going to sink into the ingredients. Let's make our oil frizz. Emulsifying wax is going to ensure the water and oil ingredients mix together. Next is my salty alcohol, which is going to help with the texture of my deep conditioner. Next is my shea butter and mango butter, which is going to penetrate your hair strands for long-lasting moisture. So now I'm going to go in with my grapeseed oil to seal in moisture in my deep conditioner. So next, I want to melt down my oil frizz. I need to be stirring it to fasten up the melting process.
It's my water frizz.
So I'm going ahead to strain out my water frizz ingredients. You can see how the color. So next, I'm going ahead to heat up my water phase and pour in my oil phase into it and stir it properly. Now let's take you down the benefits of hibiscus. 1. To promote hair growth. Hibiscus is rich in amino acid and vitamin C, which stimulate the scalp, improve blood circulation, and encourage hair growth. Number 2, hibiscus strengthens hair. Hibiscus helps strengthen the roots and strands of your hair to reduce breakage and thinning. Number 3, it reduces hair fall. Hibiscus has natural nutrients that helps balance the scalp and reduce excessive shredding. So if you shed your hair a lot, try using hibiscus and thank me later. So for you to get a fluffy texture, you need to whip and whip and whip very well for you to get a fluffy texture. And if you have an immersion blender or you have blender, I feel immersion blender is best for this formulation. Due to bubbles that hand whisk gives, it takes a lot of time for it to subside and you feel the texture. But I feel immersion blender will be best for it. So if you have an immersion blender or you have a normal blender, you can use it for formulation. And this is our final texture, guys. You can see the texture of this deep conditioner. Oh my god, this deep conditioner is giving 100 over 100 minus nothing, period. This deep conditioner is so lightweight and so nourishing to the hair. Guys, please try out this recipe and give me a feedback. This is so I'm going to be using this to store on my deep conditioner, guys. Can you see that texture? Can you see this texture is so nice and it's so moisturizing. Please guys, try out this recipe and leave a comment in the comment section. This deep conditioner has ingredients that's going to add shine to our hair. So this deep conditioner is best used after shampooing your hair. So you're going to apply it on a clean hair. Please, if you want to see results, apply it on a clean hair, not a dirty hair. Leave it in for 30 minutes using using your steaming cap, and you're good to go. See you in my next one. Bye.